friends, welcome back to my channel, and you are hoping why I make a list. I think you remembered I was teaching you about variables and list. So let's get starting to learn what is a list in Scratch. So it says add thing to M. So if I bring another sprite like apple, I have the apple. I'm just gonna make a quick code here, but you cannot see my face. So I'm gonna make a quick code here. So you guys are wondering what I am doing. I am making if I press the arrow keys, then the cat can go up and down and left and right. I'm doing this. Okay, you can see how to do. So I have these up and down key, up and down. So if I click up, these cat go up. If I click down, the cat go down. If I click left, the cat go left. If I click right, the cat go right. So this was a quick or little bit of quick project you can learn. I'm gonna put them together, or I can just right click and say connect up blocks. It connect up to all blocks if you cannot put them correctly. So add thing. I'm gonna make this add and what is it called? Apple. So if I click on it, this will add apple. See how to delete the apple. So here is delete one from N. It'll delete one. Okay. If you want to just delete the, let me bring a star. So I am gonna take this star. Now I have delete one. I'm gonna duplicate this and add a star. So it's gonna add a star. So if I give delete or another apple, delete one from M, it will delete the apple, not the star. Okay, so this is a problem. How to solve it? So let me find it. What is inserting add one of M. So let's see what it do. I didn't use this. I did. Yes. this with Control C and without thing and with this. It is gonna delete my star, or it's gonna add more stars actually. So it's gonna add. This block is gonna add. So how to delete all of them? So we will delete. If I click on it, this will delete all of them. This block delete all of them. One of them everything. Apple and apple. I'm gonna give an apple and it's star. This and this. Let's see what this like and re plus time 1 of m with star. So let's see what to do. Oh, what? Oh, it will do nothing. It's I don't use this, that's why I know, but I didn't use this, that's why I forget how to use it. I'm deleting this. Okay, I have them. So m m contains thing, continuous thing. And then start. True, because we have a start in our list. So I'm going to take this time hash of thing in m. What do you do? So it's 1. I have 1, I think. So I could not find the delete option. Oh, I can find the delete option. Now it says delete 1 of m. So if I give where is it? M, I could delete m. No, it's not delete m. I have to find where is this one. Think delete star, only is star, nothing else. If I have a star, look, think I have a apple and a star. If I wait, okay, if I have star 1 and apple star, and I click on delete delete time hash of star in m of m. Click on it, then the star will get gone. Now the apples are staying nicely. That's why you can just delete one stuff from a list. That's how you do it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, give us a big like. Give us a big like and subscribe my channel. And I hope you guys like it. So bye.